The world's first AI agent system that builds, brands, and launches real, fully functional mobile apps in minutes, without coding, without hiring, and without limits. Let's start with a fact everyone knows. The world runs on apps. From ordering food, booking a gym session, checking in at the salon, even attending classes, apps control how the world does business. But here's the hard truth. Creating a mobile app used to mean paying thousands to developers, waiting weeks for delivery, and hoping it actually works in the end. That ends today. Introducing MobiAgents AI, the revolutionary AI-powered system that lets anyone build beautiful working Android and iOS apps in just 60 seconds flat. No coding, no freelancers, no stress, just AI agents doing all the heavy lifting for you. Imagine this, you enter a simple keyword, gym, restaurant, salon, coaching, anything, and your app agent instantly builds a complete mobile app. With menus, pages, images, buttons, checkout, push notifications, everything ready to go. That's not a dream, that's MobiAgents AI. And here's why this moment is huge. Over 4.8 billion people now use smartphones. The mobile app market is worth over $935 billion. Every single month, 92,000 new apps are launched. Yet, 90% of small businesses still don't have their own app. Why? Because until now, building mobile apps was expensive, complicated, and slow. But today, that's your golden opportunity. Because with MobiAgents AI, you can build these apps in minutes and sell them for $1,000, $2,000, and more, even if you've never created one before. Think about it. A local pizza shop wants an ordering app. A gym needs a member app. A spa wants an appointment app. A coach needs a mobile course app. You click a few buttons, let your AI agent do the magic, and deliver in minutes, while charging premium prices again and again. And that's just the start. Because MobiAgents AI comes loaded with AI app agents, restaurant agent, Jimmy agent, salon creator, and 50+ more ready-to-use builders. Instant website to app conversion. Turn any website into a mobile app instantly. 150+ DFY templates, ready to launch in every niche imaginable. One-click push notifications. Send deals and updates instantly. In-app payments and checkout. Sell products, services, and subscriptions. Analytics dashboard. Track installs, users, and revenue. Host free cloud platform. Or connect your own custom domain for branding. Commercial license included. Build and sell unlimited apps globally. Everything all inside one simple dashboard. No tech, no monthly cost, no waiting. Now let's talk results. Freelancers like Maria made over $90,000 on Upwork creating mobile apps for others. Max crossed $500,000 selling mobile apps to small businesses. Lou and Bojan earned 6 figures on Fiverr doing the same thing. These aren't unicorns, they're just early movers. And now, it's your turn. Because the question isn't, will mobile apps make money? It's, how much of it will you keep? So whether you're a beginner looking to make your first $1,000 online, or a creator ready to scale with agency-level income, MobiAgents AI is your shortcut to success. All you need is an idea, a niche, or even just a website. AI does the rest. Launch your first app today. Sell it. Keep 100% of the profits. No coding, no delays, no extra tools. Just pure automated growth powered by MobiAgents AI. Remember this, every brand you admire, Uber, Airbnb, Starbucks, Nike, even small local shops, built their success on a single truth. The world lives on mobile. Now you have the same power in your hands. So click below and grab your early access at this special one-time price before it turns monthly. Because right now, the mobile revolution is creating new millionaires every month. But how much you make from it? That's 100% up to you. Don't wait. Join the mobile app Gold Rush. Start building, selling, and profiting today with MobiAgents AI.